How to download YouTube videos on iPhone. Want to download a YouTube video on your iPhone and watch it later without internet? Here's how you can do it. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone and find the video you want to download. Tap the download button below the video. If you don't see it, tap the three dots and look for the download option. Now, choose your preferred video quality and tap download. And the download will start automatically. Once it's finished, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then select Downloads. Here, you can watch your downloaded videos anytime. That's it. Now you can watch your favorite YouTube videos offline anytime.